Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. The viewers in front of me Garmin Dash Cam Tandem device, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up the incident detection sensitivity on this device. To do it, you need to open the Garmin Drive app. Of course, you need to connect the Garmin Drive to the Garmin camera. Click on the settings. As you can see, it has detected the incident, and click DC Tandem here and find here incident detection. And as you can see, now I have low sensitivity, but we can enable high sensitivity, and in the high sensitivity it will detect every move will be detected in the high sensitivity. So cool, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.